guys, I just got finished making my background for my teaching my teaching background. I want to show you guys some ideas what I did. Most of the stuff is just from Dollar Tree or I made it. So I want to show you guys how I did it. Really super simple. Yeah, I love the way it turned out. Let's go. Oh yeah, stay subscribed for homeschool stuff and teacher stuff, and you guys know. All right, to the video. All right, you guys, the kids are helping me, so you're probably going to be able to hear them. But I have two poster board. I got them, what, 60 cents or 50 cents from Dollar Tree. I also got this awesome colored tape at Dollar Tree. They used to have, like, different images and stuff on this, but they didn't have them at my Dollar Tree when I went. But anyway, I thought this would be great for the corner. These two colors are the color scheme for the school that I work for, so I figured that would work really well. But anyway, I'm adding a border. If you can see, get off that, mister. This kind of looks unfinished, but if you add a border, it looks a little more put together, kind of. At least I think so. So we're going to do that. Plus, if this is something that you need to like move from time to time, it might make it a little more durable to do that. So anyway, we're just adding a border, long story short. You recording?
Yeah.
All right, my 6-year-old is recording for me. So all I'm doing is going the length.
What are you doing, Papa?
Putting it down, smoothing it on, and then folding it under. Really super simple on every single corner. Notice how I'm getting it on my floor. Let's hope I don't get anything up. But you guys know how to make a border. But I'm doing it this way instead of having to line it up with the bottom, which I think would take more time. This way, I also feel like it makes it more durable if I need to move it to a different part of my house. I can just do that. So now I'm just going to go along the length and tuck it under.
Sissy, stop pulling me.
Sissy! I'm just going to tuck it under. All right, cut.
On my iPad. How do this?
So here it is, just to make it a little bit sturdier. If I would like to, move it. But anyway, I'm going to finish the border. I'm going to use a map. I've been using this map as my backdrop, but I'm going to add the same edging to it. I think it gives it a little more stability, and it makes it tie in with the whole theme. Does that make sense? So the whole background has an orange edge. So anyway, I am just doing that with some duct tape right now. This map I actually picked up from Dollar Tree, and then I got a second one in case I needed it. I guess I'll put this in the kids' room. Anyway, it was 99 cents, I think from Big Lots. Just $1, and I think it's a really nice large piece for a background. So anyway, I'm going to hang it up. To hang everything on the wall, I'm just using clear packing tape. It's held up really well. Not sure if I'll take the paint off the wall or anything. You might want to use something else, but I've been using just this stuck to the back of everything. And in my old space, it worked really well. So, I mean, that's what I'm using. That like the two poster boards are sideways and they're lining up perfectly with this map, which is awesome. I really did not want to have to take up some of that pink, but I guess I ran out of room with space, so it's gonna have to look like this. So I'm gonna fill it in. I want to put something hanging from the top, and maybe something on the bottom, and then fill up my space over there. I am Batman. I have the filter on through my classroom. This is my virtual classroom. If you can have that on while you set up your, look how that's delayed, while you set up your background, definitely do it so you can see exactly what it's going to look like. If not, turn your webcam on, whatever you can do so you know what that backdrop's going to look like exactly. I don't have any makeup on, so I'm being Batman. But anyway, #1 tip, because I didn't realize how much was not going to show. You're silly. Are you silly? Alrighty, I added the characters from the school that I work for up top, and then I'm planning on putting some stuff on the bottom like words. I'm not really sure yet, but that's what I did. You can always put whatever characters you want. I like adding some sort of characters. I made them really super easily. Let me show you the small ones. Out of cardstock, super simple, nothing crazy. And now I have this stuff. This whole thing was $1 from Dollar Tree. There's 6 of these. I think it makes it a lot easier to put up there. And then I was going to make a banner, like a triangle banner, because I've seen tons of those. But I have a circle hole puncher. So I just punched out a ton of these. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. One of the most important parts, I'm like in my own light. One of the most important parts I totally forgot to mention. See these little teeny tiny pencil marks, which I will erase. I sat down in front of my computer with my webcam on, and I just took my, tried to reach back behind me and made little pencil marks on, the lowest and highest that I could see. You could see it up there as well. So I knew what was going to be in the background, and then I just kept that video up. So anyway, let me show you what else I've done. All right, so that's what the pom-poms look like up. I thought they were missing something, so I added circles in between. You may want to add, 2 of them, or maybe in your space it looks fine with just the 1. I added my characters, and then these things, these guys, a whole pack of these are $1 at Dollar Tree. I love them. So I had to write my name. And then I decided, because I had some more space down here, I just wrote, the ABCs, the alphabet. And now I'm going through and I'm adding some more little polka dots on the bottom, and then see if I need to fill in anything. I also wrote America, US, and hello with my little, just to add some stuff wherever I had some space. Alrighty guys, I hope you can't hear my kids in the other room. I noticed that I needed to fill up a little bit of space. You totally, of course, don't have to, but I noticed a little bit more wall space than I thought I would originally have. So I just took circle hole punch and cardstock and filled it up. I really like this. I like this for birthday parties. And then the bottom, I noticed a little bit of space and I added the dots. So now I just need to put something over here that says Teacher Melanie. So what my plan is, let me show you. So I'm noticing that, you can see what I wrote, but it's not extremely visible, if that makes sense. It needs to be maybe thicker. But I like the way the white is showing up. So I found these guys. Let me show ya. These guys, just my flashcards. I keep flashcards on hand all the time. I do have 2 small children, but I have a couple decks that I use just for class. Not this deck. It's a different deck, one for shapes mostly. So I figured I can use a few of these and tape them up, maybe the shapes or something. Here's a rectangle, just your basic things. There's 6 balloons, maybe that would work. There's an oval. So that's my thoughts. Let's see how these look. So here's a look at what it looked like in the monitor. So I like to keep referring back to this so I know exactly what's showing. So I can know how far, because if I put this all the way over here, you're not going to be able to see it. So I'm going to make sure I put it back here. Just simple stuff, guys. And again, I went like this in order to mark where my pencil marks were. And I think it worked pretty good. And there they are on the wall. I like the white pop of against the contrast of the blue. I love it. And these suckers were $1. You can get just the shapes, from Dollar Tree if you want to go to Target, Dollar Spot. But I love the way this looks. Love. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the finished product. I love it so much. Love, 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 love it. If you have any tips or tricks for me, please let me know. Please stay and subscribe for DIYs and learning videos, and you guys know the drill. But anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching. It means the world to me. You do hear my daughter. Bye, y'all. Love Yinz. All right, everybody ready for shapes? All right, what shape is this? Circle! Whoop, whoop. Good job. What color is it? Green. Yeah, good. How about this shape? It's a star. What color is it? Blue. Whoop, whoop. Good job, you guys. Let's try one more. What shape is this? It's a square. It's a square. What color is this shape? Yes, the square is green.